Hi Andrew. Can you show us how can we install SQL Server Express Edition?
Of course, dear Emma. Let us go step by step to see how can we install SQL Server Express Edition. From any Explorer, go to address bar and search to SQL Server 2022 Express Edition download. From listed websites, we should select Microsoft.com website to install. From Microsoft website, scroll down the page little bit and press Download button. From the corner from Download button, we can see that the SQL Server downloader is downloaded. As administrator, we can execute it. Then the downloader will be run. From downloader options, we can select Download Media. After that, from next options, select Express Advanced SQL Server Engine, then press Download button. As internet speed, the SQL Server setup files will be downloaded. After the downloading is finished, from Download folder we can extract the file to get the setup files. After the extraction has been finished, the setup wizard will be executed automatically. From left pane, select Installation, then from right pane, select New SQL Server Standard Edition. Then accept the license terms. Next. Wait some time until finishing from checking system requirements, then Next. As a minimum installation requirements, leave the selections as it and press Next. Note, if the Poly-based query option is selected, remove it. From this tab, if this installation is a first time, you should select Default Instance, then press Next. From this step, you can change the SQL Server browser option to automatic, then Next. Don't forget to check the installation collation. In this step, in general, select Mixed Mode could log into SQL Server by two ways, Windows and SQL Server authentication. After that, insert password for SA Super Admin password, then Next. Finally, wait some time until the setup wizard finishing from installing files. The installation is completed.
Thank you very much, dear Andrew.